Welcome to Altair SimLab, the simulation environment of the HyperWorks package, thought to reduce the time needed for FEA modeling of volume assemblies. In this demonstration, we will talk about DOE, or Design of Experiments, which is in the computational environment, a systematic method to determine the relationship between design variables and the responses of the processes. In SimLab, the use of this method follows a straightforward workflow, being easy and intuitive, efficient, and allowing much faster design decisions. Start by creating the Python script by recording all steps done in your session. Import parametric CAD models. SimLab will automatically import all CAD parameters created. Finish by creating the response to be evaluated in your DOE runs. These can be global or locally defined. Create your DOE by using your script and select all needed files: parameter, script, and response. Set all design variables with the intervals to be taken. Generate the table of experiment. SimLab uses a full factorial method to define the runs. You can visualize in one dialog all the runs with their corresponding response evaluated. By selecting the row of one or multiples runs, you can automatically open the databases selected and visualize the result with the parameters set. Create a linear effect plot to visualize the behavior of one of the parameters and the results. This way, be capable of reaching the optimal results by using SimLab. What are you waiting for?